It's 8 p.m. You finish dinner and decide you won't eat again until tomorrow night. No snacks, no calories, just water. So what actually happens inside your body over the next 24 hours? In the first few hours, nothing dramatic. Your body is still using the glucose from your last meal. Insulin is active and energy levels feel normal. Around 8 to 12 hours in, your liver starts breaking down stored glycogen to keep your blood sugar steady. This is when real hunger kicks in. By 12 to 16 hours, those glycogen stores drop, insulin levels fall, and your body begins shifting toward burning fat for fuel. This metabolic switch is a big deal. Between 16 and 20 hours, fat breakdown increases and your liver starts producing ketones. Some people feel more focused here, others feel tired or irritable. At 24 hours, your body is relying much more on stored fat. Hormones like growth hormone may rise to help protect muscle. But here's the truth. A 24-hour fast is not a miracle detox. It will not transform your body overnight. What it can do is improve metabolic flexibility and show you how your body handles hunger. The real question is not can you fast for 24 hours, it's what will you discover about yourself if you try.